What's up, everybody? This is KingsLeagueBreaks.com. My name is Jason. We are doing a fresh enter case break of 2017-18 Upper Deck SB Game Use Hockey 5-box break, random teams number 7. We'll also be giving away some packs, some autos, some relics, and a rookie card of McDavid as well. 2 customers in this break, so top 6 will win some prizes. Thank you to all for filling this. Started all the way at the top here with Sam, all the way down to Trev, Last Ball Mojo. I appreciate everybody that got a spot in this break. Ducks down to the Jets with the Knights in and available. So, let's roll the dice. And we have a 1 and a 5, so 6 times on the list of names and teams. 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, Edwards at numero uno. Joe P. Oh, at the bottom. Alright, so 6 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, Tampa Bay Lightning, New York Rangers at the bottom. So Edwards, you got the Lightning. Joe P with the Blue Jackets. Chris with the Cabs. Trev, Last Ball Mojo, you got the Flames. Joe P with the Vancouver Canucks. Jesse with the Preds. Sam, you have the Predators. Or sorry, Jesse with the Devils. Sam with the Predators. Ben, you have the Avalanche. Chris with the Sharks. Joe Fagundes with the Stars. Ben, you also have the Vegas Golden Knights. Joe P with the Hurricanes. Trev with the Islanders. Ben with the Ducks. Trev with the Wild. Chris with the Caps. Kyle Plant, you have the Florida Panthers. Trev with the Jets. Joe Fagundes with the Senators. Joe P, you got the Pens. Jack with the Edmonton Oilers. Ben with the Flyers. Chris with my LA Kings. Joe P with the Bruins. Jesse with the Sabres. Sab, you got the Blues. Chris with the Yotes. Kyle with the Red Wings. Ben with the Blackhawks. Trev with the Maple Leafs. And Joe P with the New York Rangers. Alphabetize that. And I'll give you guys about a minute or so if you guys want to make any trades. Should be right there. Yeah, but you have chances at some, like, I think they have updates in here too. And you can still pull Matthews, you can still pull Linus. It's not like they're not in here. They just won't be rookies, but still could pull some heat with those guys. Stars for trade, Joe Fagundes is saying. Alright. No problemo. Alrighty, guys. Well, now that we finished this SP Game Use break, I did post the second half on the website. Not sure if you guys want to try to run things back. I only have about 2 hours left in the stream. Remember, I streamed a little earlier today. Got to head out a little bit earlier today. But once I go off air, tomorrow morning, I'll post those pick your teams up. And I'm also going to send out an email blast so everybody knows when they go up. And everybody has a fair shot to get any pick your teams you guys want from OPG Platinum. And I'll be back next week. And then on Wednesday, we'll break some of that OPC, guys. It's going to be fun. So I'm not sure how much time we really have left to fill up a second break, but I'm thinking maybe we can try a Pucks break. That only requires 15 spots to be sold. For $15.99, you get 2 random teams, 3 chances of hockey pucks maybe. Or do we go bold and try to run back a SP Gamies break or a Ultimate Collection hockey break? I mean, if we could do that, I could probably extend my stay here just a little bit longer, but not too much because I do have to head out. I have some prior commitments that I had, so just letting you guys know. All right. What's up, Dick? What's going on, man? All right, guys. So here it is. Last Spot Mojo Flames. Good luck to everybody in this break. So here's the inner case right here. Fresh inner case. Alright, so as always, left or right. Hopefully my dice doesn't roll away too much like it did last time, but 1, 2, or 3 for the left. Whoa, right there. And then 4, 5, or 6 for the right. So let's roll it. Nice, stayed right there. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go with this side. This will be for number 8 right here. The last 5 boxes we'll have available of SP Game Used. So there it is, 5. And we have 5 boxes to break open. Got that here. Make sure that this baby's on. Pull some heat. I wish I could, man. I wish I could. That'd be such a steal for you guys. I wouldn't be able to eat these next 2 weeks. I wouldn't be able to eat these next 2 weeks. I guess it'd be a good thing though, right? I could lose some massive weight in the next 2 weeks without eating. Wouldn't be able to pay for my car payment. All right. Nikita Kucherov, 79 of 140. Tampa Bay Lightning. Glenn Edwards. Garrett Mitchell, 146 of 276. Also, Ben's buying all the spots and giving spots away. Man, what a great guy. Johnny Brodzinski, 25 of 274. LA Kings authentic rookies going to Chris. And what a nice one here. 9 of 15. Cam Atkinson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Look at that. Nice one. Cam Atkinson has been on a tear. So have the Columbus Blue Jackets. I think they're on a 9-game winning streak now. Or in their last 10, they're 9-1. Nice one right there. Columbus Blue Jackets. Joe P. Joe Pizzle. We got a quad. Centennial Classic Fabrics. Mantha. Athanasiou, Nielsen, and Larkin. All for Detroit. I know Ben's like, fuck, if I'm going to take all of these spots, I'm not giving anything. I'm not giving it to nobody. We got Stadium Series Fabrics, Matt Reed. Flyers. Going to David, or Ben, sorry. And Jack Rozovic, 297 of 399. Authentic Rookies jersey. Jets, going to Trev. All right, box 1 down, box 2 coming up. Oh, we got a thick one right here. Thick, thick, thick. T-H-I-C-C thick. Callie Rosen, 140 of 223. Toronto Maple Leafs. Going to Trev. Carter Roudney, 58 of 228. There we go. Skip that. Ooh, this is a nice one here. Nikita Kucherov Frameworks. Actually, really cool how they make these cards, guys. Really cool how they make these cards. They put a piece of jersey behind this like acetate. Put the framework right on the top. Pretty sweet. Nikita Kucherov, Tampa Bay Lightning, going to Edwards. You feel an Islanders hit? Well, guess what? You got one. John Tavares. And Derek Stepan, jersey. For the Coyotes, going to Chris. And the last one here, guys, a really nice one. A really, really nice one. It is out of 35. And it is a Leon Draisaitl, 14 of 35, neck cord materials. For the Edmonton Oilers. Nice one. And Oilers going to Jack B, which is, I think, his first hit with us here at KingsleyBreaks.com. Jack got a couple spots in a handful of breaks a couple days ago. First hit in a break with us here, and it is a beauty of a hit. Nice neck cord right there. Get that in a slider box for you. There you go. Congrats, Jack. New guy mojo, yeah. He didn't get any hits in the jersey or anything else, but hey, I think that'll make up for this, right? That'll make up for that. Nico Hischier, that's a nice one. 109 of 117. Devils. Going to Jesse. Derek Stepan, 16 of 122. We got a banner year. Matt Murray. Penguins. Pittsburgh Penguins going to Joe P. Owen Tippett, rookie jersey, rookie sweaters. That is 147 of 199. Florida Panthers going to Kyle Plant. Samuel Morin, 395 of 399. And behind this, got a draft day marks. It is Valentin Zykov. 1 of 35. LA Kings. That is going to Chris. Zykov is actually a rookie this year in the Carolina Hurricanes organization. He's actually a rookie in SP Game Use, so you'll find a lot of his rookie stuff this year with the Carolina Hurricanes. But He was drafted by the Kings in the second round. So there you go, Chris. 1 of 35. Are you kidding me? Wow. Shit. 28 of 109, William Karlsson. Vegas Golden Knights. Going to Ben. Jason King Mojo, that's right. Jason King Mojo. $56 of 123, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. We have Pavel Saka for the Devils. Devils going to Jesse. For the Dallas Stars, authentic rookies, Dennis Zhuryanov. A little piece of the jersey and some ink. Dallas Stars. And I think that's going to Joe Fagundes and the Dallas Stars. And Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins. Going to Joe Pizzle. I know, no trade mojo, right? I kind of want to leave that card to last. Let's see if we can find a better hit than that one. Oh, this is a thin pack. That means that there's a smaller jersey print right here. Kind of need to block this off too. All right. Wow, look at this. Nice one. We got a Wayne Gretzky, 78 of 99, LA Kings Mojo. We get the 99 of 99. That's a 1-of-1 autograph one. But like I said, these authentic rookies, jersey number ones, sell pretty nice. 78 of 99. A great one. LA Kings. We got Jake Dotchin, 190 of 223. Jack Roslovic, authentic rookies, autograph. Winnipeg Jets, going to Trev. Banner year, Cam Atkinson. More for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Blue Jackets, going to Joe P. Charlie McAvoy, 4 of 399. Little piece of the jersey, not too shabby right there. Boston Bruins, going to Joe P. And we got Riley Barber, 113 of 399. Washington Capitals, going to Chris and the Capitals. All right, guys. So we have one last hit right here. It is a very thick one. Good luck. Out of 35. 15 out of 35. It is another net cord. Anybody recognize this face? We have an All-Star Game Materials fabric. Alex Ovechkin, net cord. supposed to be one net cord per inner case, and we got 2 of them. Washington Capitals. Chris. There you go. Wow, this is a pretty nice 5 boxes, guys. But hey, that second half, though, may not have a net cord in there, but I didn't see any of those rookie jersey numbers, which those are really, really rare, like this Gretzky one. Didn't see a bigger rookie patch autograph. So who knows? There could be a Brock Besser, McAvoy hiding over there, DeBrincat. A lot of bigger rookie names in here that people think. It's not a Matthews or Connor McDavid year with Laine, but a lot of good, solid rookies in this draft class. So the second half is in the store if you guys want to get that one going. KingsleyBreaks.com. I know the break menu on the website's a little low, but you know, still have the second half up there, some Ultimate Collection and some hockey pucks. Also, let me just actually randomize the list of names. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I think I'm just going to pick them myself after. I don't know if everybody's here watching this break, but I'm going to give away a couple I'm going to give away some autographs, some relics, and some packs to the top 6. So I think the pack is probably worth more because there could be some potential heat in here, and I know these packs are probably, you know, $6, $7. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna say number 1 gets a pack, number 2 gets a pack, number 3 gets this McDavid rookie Stickworks. That's a variation. Zachary Fucal patch autograph. I feel like the McDavid might be worth more though. Zachary Fucal patch autograph at number 3. Then we'll go X jerseys, Stepan Lundqvist at number 5, and then Corey Crawford relic at number 6. So kind of hard to see, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little extra stuff for customers in this break. Roll it. 6 and a 3, so 9 times. Good luck. Top 6 will get a prize. And if you did go hitless in this break, don't worry about it. I'll send you an extra relic or autograph as well. Don't worry, I got you guys. It may not be hockey because I'm kind of running low on hockey. I was able to find a little bit more, but I can definitely get you guys something else. Baseball, football, basketball, whatever you guys need. All right, guys, so 9 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After 9 times, we rolled a 9. Top 6. We got Joe P, Ben, Kyle, Jesse, Ben, and Trev cracking the top 6. So there you go. Top 6 will win a prize. So Joe P will get a pack. Ben gets a pack. Kyle will get that McDavid rookie. Jesse will get that Zachary Fucal patch autograph. And then Ben with the X jersey Rangers. And then Trev cracking it in with that Contours Corey Crawford. So there you go, guys. That was the break. I hope we can probably fill up another break. Maybe a puck break would be pretty nice to end the night, end the week, end the month of March. It's KingsleyBreaks.com. My name's Jason. See you guys next time.